The best time to sow new lawn is early to mid-autumn, so today's the day. With the help from Palmer's and Yates, we are repairing our lawn. It is an important process with crucial steps, but by the end of it, you'll have amazing green lawns. The first step is to spray the entire area with a weed killer. This will kill off the existing lawn and any weeds lingering. Wait 2 weeks before continuing the process. Before sowing lawn seed, it is important to prepare the soil first and make sure it is even. Our lawn was covered in a whole heap of moss, so that needed to go before we could continue. We used a lawn dehatcher to remove the moss, any leftover dead foliage, and loosen the soil. We used a rake to also soften the surface and remove the moss that was dug up. The lawn is now ready to sow. We picked up a trailer full of soil and compost to cover the old lawn, so it was all hands on deck at this point. We were transporting the lawn mix from the trailer and spreading it out with a rake. Once the lawn mix was laid, it was time to spread the seeds evenly over the area. Yates Seed and Feed is a 2-in-1 product with a built-in spreader to spread the seeds. This product is a mixture of Yates Sow Anytime seed and lawn food. The seeds need to be scattered in an east to west direction and a north to south direction to ensure even spread. Gently cross-rake the sowing area to make a grid pattern. The last step for now is to use Yates Lawn Seed Sealer to seal the seeds, a ready-to-use mixture with a hose-on mechanism. Now we wait. Make sure to keep the top 1 centimetre of soil moist while the lawn is establishing. Palmer's, let's grow together.